Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 378 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this LA Colors Liquid Shimmer Highlighter to try out, and this is a product that's new to the Dollar Tree. I found this when I was there a couple days ago. There was a display out with a couple different colors of this. When I was there, it looked like they only had this shade left, which is called Candlelight, and then a deeper shade which would have been too dark for me, but it still looked really pretty. But so this says Multi Shimmer Glow, and because I found it at the Dollar Tree, it was only $1. I did try out on my channel before another LA Colors liquid highlighter, and I'll link that video down below if you want to see it, but it just did not sit very well on my skin, so I'm hoping for better results from this one here. Let's start out by swatching it. It's interesting, it has this little dropper squeezy tube. Ooh. Yeah, very beautiful champagne color. And it has really pretty shimmer and reflection. And I'm definitely seeing that a little goes a long way. It's kind of a thin formula, but it's drying down. Yeah, this is looking really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my cheekbones to start. So I'm just gonna go in with a tiny bit. Oh, yeah, look at that reflection. The way it is bouncing back the light is so beautiful. Oh yeah. It is drying down pretty quickly before I was able to blend that out into the right shape. So maybe this is better applied with a sponge for quicker blending. Oh yeah, like I just applied it to my hand. Whoa, and it is not moving. It is staying in place. It's not fading. That's pretty impressive. So I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more, but wow, look at that glow already. I just feel like I need to go back in with a little bit more because it's not looking super even, but maybe I'll start out with this cheek. But yeah, you have to move quickly in order to blend it in evenly. And it doesn't blend it out super easily. It's kind of like more where you place it is where it's gonna stay. So that's like the tricky part about this. But it's actually sitting pretty well on top of my makeup. And it has really pretty shine to it. Really nice pigment. So now just blending in that second layer on top, I wanted to just try and even it out and really blend it, but it's still so difficult to smooth it out and blend it out. So even though the color is so pretty, I feel like that's where this is kind of seeming like a $1 formula, where it's just like not applying the way I wish that it would. I'm really, really liking this Candlelight shade though. And you can build this up to be so blinding. Like, it's completely dried down, a little bit of transfer. So I will say that I like this liquid highlighter from LA Colors better than that other one I tried, but this is still not quite as good as I want it to be and as good as other even $1 highlighters that I've tried before. I was able to get a really nice glow on this side here. This one a little too much, and up close you can see that it's like patchy and uneven because I didn't blend it out fast enough, but this is workable. I think mixed in with some moisturizers might be even easier so that it doesn't dry down as quickly. So I'm going to play around with this some more, try and figure out ways to make it just blend out better, but it is really, really pretty. and it does sit pretty well on top of my makeup. It looks like shimmer, but it also looks like glow, so it does make my skin look very healthy and radiant, so definitely not terrible. Let me know in the comments down below if you've used this and if you have any application tips, because this is kind of difficult, and I'd love to know if you've been able to find out ways that work for you in order to get the best use out of this product. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.